asshole. Get out of the fucking car.
Literally a crossing here, so you don't stand in the middle of the road round a corner. Fucking hell, you're an idiot. The fuck? He literally swerved further over my side of the road. The fuck? What the fuck are you doing? Get on your side of the road. Literally a fucking parking space there you could have gone in. But instead you park in the middle of the fucking road. Didn't even need to park properly in that bit. For fuck's sake. Like, you could have driven into the space, had half your van hanging out, and I would have still got past. But no, you park in the middle of the fucking road because you're an inconsiderate cunt. Delivery drivers that do that piss me off. It's not hard to park. It's your job, basically. Like, dickhead. What a dumbass. I stopped so the police car would have had room to get through and they decided to do that. Thick cunt. Fuck are you doing? Stupid cunt. Fucking hell. Full of idiots. The fuck? That was close. The fuck are you doing? Fucking stupid cunt. Oh, now you find your indicator. It's a bit tricky to work out where it was last time. Red light, dickhead. Fucking looking at me all gormless like you don't understand. Fuck is that? Did you not see me coming here? Do you instead just think, fuck him, I'll drive out very slowly in his way? Wanker! Get in the fucking queue, you cunt! Yeah, the way you just came along there, I can tell you're going to be a cunt as soon as those lights change. Yep. See, I was correct. They are a cunt because that car had its right indicator on long before they were even there. Yet they still have to go round them and start waving their arm out the window and gesticulating at them. Fucking idiot. Wrong fucking lane, you prick. Red light, nutsack. Dumbass. See, if people just camp out in that lane, it causes others to undertake them. It's still illegal, but they shouldn't be sitting there in that lane for no fucking reason.